If you are looking for a new way to enjoy oats that isn't sweet, this one's for you. These savory baked oats are healthy, packed with protein, and one of my favorite go-to meals for busy summer days. This is a one-bowl recipe and it comes together quickly. In one bowl I'm adding 2 eggs, a quarter cup of plain yogurt, and mixing them well. Then add 1 cup of oats. These are enough for 2 servings, but you can easily double or triple the recipe for the whole family. Slowly add some water until you have a somewhat pourable consistency. Don't go beyond a quarter of a cup. To season it, I'm using salt, oregano, paprika, and garlic powder. And lastly, add a dash of baking soda. Now for the fillings. I'm using a mix of cheese, chopped deli turkey, a few cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta, and a little pepper on top. You can use whatever you have on hand. This recipe is super flexible. Fold the fillings gently into the batter. You don't want to overmix. Pour the mixture into a greased or lined baking dish. Smooth it out with the back of a spoon. If you want, you can press a few tomato slices on top for a nice finish. Bake it for about 35 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden and the center feels firm. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. It sets up more as rest. This is one of those recipes that works any time of the day, breakfast, lunch, or even as a snack. It's great warm, just as good cold straight from the fridge, which makes it perfect for summer. I often pack it for picnics or serve it with a quick salad on the side. And because it's high in protein, it really keeps you full. If you like easy, high-protein recipes like this, I'd love to have you stick around. You can subscribe for more wholesome ideas or save this video to come back later.